North Carolina is such a beautiful place. We have beaches, we have mountains, and you can experience all four seasons in the course of a couple of days. Now, I would love for you to come visit this beautiful state and spend some money, but please don't move here. We have enough transplants moving here, causing everything to go up and changing the culture. So come visit, come say hey, but don't move here, please. So let's just get started because I could go on and on about this beautiful state, but we want to see the paintings. So, what's going on, family? This is Garrett Brown Art Studios. I am super excited because I'm back with another video. This one is extra special today. We are doing an all North Carolina acrylic pouring collab. Yes, all of the artists are from the beautiful, great state of North Carolina. So without further ado, let's get started. Wow. Today, I have the wonderful pleasure to be working with Sandra Lett and Crystal Coast Originals. They are amazing artists. Sandra Lett is a phenomenal mixed media artist. She does so many different styles of painting. I admire her work. I'm so glad I'm getting to work with her. Crystal Coast, oh my gosh, she does these beautiful sunflowers. You have to go see their pages. And we are all doing ribbon pours today. So I'm going to drop their links below. Please hit that subscribe button for all three of us. Go check them out. Binge watch. You have nothing to do today. Let's get started. All right, party people. We're going to go ahead and lay our base paint. Today I'm using house paint by Color Place. This is actually the last little bit of it. And I add some water in GAC 800. Um, yeah, I don't know the exact measurements, but I like for my paint to flow a bit. And this is my paint consistency. So the blue ended up being a bit thicker than the other, so I had to add a little bit more water. So it does not leave a mound. It falls directly into the puddle and it is silky smooth. All right. We're going to take our container here, and I have mixed up a little bit of white as well, which I'm going to pour in the bottom. All right, so I'm going to take my brown. Actually, I'm going to start with my lightest color. I'm going to take my gold and I'm going to layer it from light to dark. The first color to go in is the last color to come out. So I don't want the brown to overpower or the blue. So I'm going to put those last, and let's see what happens. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. We're gonna tilt this thing a bit, see what happens. Guess I'm just gonna go ahead and tilt most of this white paint off. And I have no clue what we're gonna get here. I think we're gonna get some pearls, but we shall see. I think my ribbon was too thick. I just used too much paint. Cause this doesn't look like a ribbon pour anymore. The Viridian was overtaken by the Naples, so it's not much of that. I'm gonna try and tilt it again, cause I have a little white piece right there. You know, these type of collabs are always fun because everybody gets something completely different. We all use the same recipe. All right, so we're gonna torch it just to see what happens. All right, so as you can see, I have scraped my canvas. I did not like that last one, so we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna layer my colors the same. And we're gonna pour again. Used a little bit less paint this time in a different pattern, just to see we get a different outcome. Ooh, there's some cells opening up there. Really pretty. I'm liking this one so much better than the last one. Definitely different from my style, but I think this is gonna be all right. It's gonna have some negative space, and it's gonna be different. Okay, y'all. I know it's a lot of negative space, but I really like it. It's so different. Uh, I think this is done. I probably needed a little bit more paint. Let me see if I can do a little bit more. Yeah, it's done. I'm done with this. Get your eyes in for a close up. There are some wonky cells. My paints are pretty thin, but I love how every color is represented so well. And then on this side, I have pearls popping up, which is really weird because I don't have it on the other side, but I really like it. Have a ton of negative space. And then I have this beautiful kissing dragon type of thing, spitting some things out, you know. Um, Definitely different. I'm gonna try this again. So thrilled with the second go around. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I have enjoyed working with these artists so much. We came up with this idea together, and we just been having a good old time just talking and getting these videos done. Don't forget, there's another video after mine. It's going to be Crystal Coast Originals, and don't forget to check out Sandra's if you came in a little bit late to the premiere. As always, family, remember, do everything with love. Come visit North Carolina, spend some money, but don't move here. Please like and subscribe to all of our channels. And I would love to do a collab with you as well. If you want to collab, it doesn't matter how big or small, because we all have something amazing to offer. Until the next time, family, have a wonderful, productive day. Peace.